He left his ring on the dresser by the door. The photograph still waiting on the floor. Every word she said keeps echoing through time. He drives all night to drown her voice in wine. And somewhere in the silence of that broken place, he swears he sees her shadow in the glass he can't erase. So pour another round to chase the pain. Every sip just burns her name again. He's chasing ghosts through whiskey stain remains, crying for the love that couldn't stay. And when the morning breaks the same old way, there'll still be ashes in the rain.
The neighbors whisper softly through the night how love can turn to sorrow overnight. The house still smells like her perfume and tears. Each memory cuts deeper through the years.
He whispers, "I'm sorry," to the walls that never cared, and lays his soul beside the love they both once shared. So pour another round to chase the pain. Every sip just burns a name again. He's chasing ghosts through whiskey stain remains, crying for the love that couldn't stay. And when the morning breaks the same old way, there'll still be ashes in the rain. Maybe love's not meant to last, just burn until it fades. A spark too bright to live beyond the shade.
When the angels call, he won't fight the flame. He'll find her waiting, whispering his name.
So pour another round and fade away. Let the bottle sing what hearts can't say. Now two lost souls, the whiskey stain remains, found each other past the pain. And when heaven cries for yesterday, they'll fall like ashes in the rain.
Pour another round and stayed away. Let the bottle sing what hearts can't say. Now two lost souls, the whiskey stained remains.